Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the HyperX Cloud 3 mic not loud in 2026. Now, in order to fix it, first of all, you need to press Windows plus I on your keyboard in order to basically open the settings of your device. Inside your settings, simply click on the option of system, then click on the option of sound. Now over here, scroll down and look for the input section. Over here, you need to select your headset and now you need to increase the volume by using this particular slider and make sure that the input volume is 90 to 100%. This setting is important to see the mic loudness. Now you just have to scroll down a bit more, then click on the option of more sound settings. Now when this type of pop-up opened in front of you, click on the option of the recording tab. Over here, select your headset from the list, then click on the option of properties. Now over here, you need to select the option of level tabs and increase the microphone level to 100 and microphone boost if it is available. Afterwards, simply apply the changes and click on the option of OK. And then you just have to see if your mic is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.